One of the fun things that we get to do at Scythe, besides helping build a platform that continues to drive even more value for customers, is continuing to research and refine the state of the art of what you can do with a purple team. Purple teams, I believe most folks these days get the value. They can see the transparency in planning, execution, remediation, the communication, the learning and education that comes from doing all of that together. And I always kept thinking, well, how do we make it more? And one of those areas was tabletop exercises. And the problem with the tabletop exercise, this goes back to the talk that Leslie Carhart and I gave at RSA this year, is there's limitations to what you can do with something that is primarily a paper exercise. Now they have value into their own right, but how could we make them more realistic? How could we make them more of a learning adventure where you have real world technical injects that are coming from your own environment? And so one of the exercises that we've been piloting is bringing tabletop exercises and purple team exercises together, where we have the tabletop with leadership, and as decisions are made, that drives what happens in the technical realm. So in their own production environment, not just like we think this is going to happen, we actually see what's happening. And then the outputs of what's happening there with that threat exercise are driving those injects back in to shape where the tabletop exercise goes. It's been just a lot of fun, and I look forward to us continuing to grow that out.